Hello guys, welcome once again. In this video I will show you how to import the values from Excel file and load it into your data grid view. So first of all, let me show you what I'm going to teach you today. So I have this button from which I will choose the file. Let me choose some Excel file like this test XLS, and the path will be copied in your text box, and here I will write the sheet number in which my data is present. As you know, Excel file contains number of sheets, and in whatever sheet your data is, just write the name of that sheet here. And then when I click load Excel, all Excel values or all data which is present in the Excel file will be loaded into my data grid view. So this I'm going to show you today. Okay, so first of all, let me show you the Excel file which I'm using. I have this text Excel file here, and when I open it, I have some data here which has EID, name, surname and age, and some data for that. Okay, and I will show now the code for this. What I have done is I have taken two text boxes from here. So take two text boxes from your toolbox, and I have named first text box as text box underscore path because it will contain my path, and the second text box I have named text box sheet because it will hold the name of the sheet. And I have taken two buttons, one to choose the file and one to load Excel file into the data grid view. So just take two buttons and rename them according to your convenience. So first of all, we will write the code for choose file. This code I have shown you in number of previous videos also, so just a short review. Write open file dialog, give a variable name is equal to new open file dialog bracket and bracket close. If this open file dialog dot show dialog bracket is equal to system dot windows dot forms dot dialog result dot ok, and then in the if condition you will write this dot text box path dot text, which is the name of my this text box, this one text box path. So this is this dot text box name dot text is equal to open file dialog variable dot file name. So for what this code will do is it will open a file dialog and it will copy the path of the file and put it into your text box. Okay, so write this code. Second thing we are going to do is we are going to load the Excel file. So just click load Excel file button and we will reach to the load click Excel file. But before that we need to import one file. So write this above your code. Write using system dot data dot oledb. Okay, so this is the import you need to do in order to load an Excel file into your data grid view. Now once again I will go to the button click event, and here I have written some code. Okay, so I will show you what I have written. So here I have declared a string and I name it as path con. By mistake it's path CPNN, so path con. So this will contain the connection path of my Excel file, and in the string write this double quote and write provider is equal to Microsoft dot jet dot OLED in capital. Please remember that it's case sensitive, so please see and write the code carefully. So once again, provider is equal to Microsoft dot jet dot OLED capital dot 4.0, and then give this semicolon. Then write data source is equal to double quote, so this is one string which is completed, so this is in double quotes, this from this to here, and in the plus sign, in between the plus sign, here I am writing the path, text box path. So this is text box name, whose name is text box path dot text, plus I will add some other string. So here write double quotes and then semicolon close, and write extended properties is equal to slash double quote Excel 8.0 semicolon, and then write HDR is equal to yes semicolon slash double quote semicolon then double quote, and then close your string. So I think you just copy this string. I will just move this screen to this string once again, so you will be able to copy. Okay, copy from here to here. Now in the second line write OLEDB connection con is equal to new OLEDB connection, and here pass this string variable. Okay, and then in the next line write OLEDB data adapter, give a variable name my data adapter or whatever name you want to give, is equal to new OLEDB data adapter, and in the bracket write select star from this square bracket and double quote, and then plus text box sheet. This is the text box name of the text box where I'm going to write my sheet number. So text box dot text plus double quote this dollar sign, and then square bracket and then double quote, and comma your connection which you have declared here. Okay, and in the next line write data table dt is equal to new data table bracket and bracket closed, and then write my data adapter, which is this data adapter dot fill dt, which is this variable name, and then take the name of your data grid view. So this is my data grid view which I have taken from here. I will show you. This one. So take a data grid view and drop it here, and then just copy the name of this data grid view. So in my case, this data grid view name is data grid view 1. And once again go to the code, and here this is data grid view dot data source is equal to dt, which is this variable. Okay, so just write this code in order to load the Excel file. So if you want, you can pause the video also, but it's not covering the whole code, and just write the code. Now let's see if it runs or not. But first of all, I want to give some suggestion to you. If you are using Excel file, so for example, I want to create a new Excel file, because I have installed Microsoft Office 2007, so it will generate an Excel, sorry, so once again I will create a new document. I want to create a Microsoft Office Excel worksheet, and I will not change its name. So because I have Microsoft Office 2007, and if you have Microsoft Office 2007 and later version of Microsoft Office, it will generally have the extension XLSX, this extension. But our code is made for only XLS extension, these 3 letters, and it is not made for XLSX. So now there is a problem for you, because it will not load this XLSX file, but it will load XLS file. So how to convert this file into XLS file? Just open this file and go to your file options, go to save, and save as Excel 97 to 2003 worksheet. So just click it, and I will name something weird, and I will save it. And if you can see here, come here, down here, this properties of this, now it's saved as .xls file. So you can change XLS X file into XLS file by this trick if you are having Microsoft Office 2007 or later. Now let's try to run the program. So I will choose the path of the file, which is this test.xls file, and I will give the sheet number, sheet 1, because my data is present in the sheet 1, and I will press load Excel, and all data from that sheet will come here. Okay, so if you can see here, my data is present on sheet number 1. So sheet number 1 is this here. So I hope you have enjoyed this video and learned something new this time. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.